Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to duplicate a Trello board. The process is very easy, so just follow along with these instructions. Start by opening your specific board and clicking the More option located here. From the menu, scroll down and select Copy Board. You will then need to name your new board. For instance, we will call this one Board 3. Next, choose the workspace where you want this board to live. If you wish to retain your existing cards or template cards, ensure those boxes remain checked. Please remember that activity history, comments, and team members are not transferred, so you will need to re-invite your collaborators manually. Once you are ready, hit the Create button. Your new board is now ready, and as you can see, the duplication was successful. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.